So we'll wire brush this, and we'll wire brush this. Good enough for the girls I date. We'll put our new gasket in there. Then we'll button everything back up, go for a nice long drive to get everything real warmed up, and we'll check and see if the noise went away. All right, so it's still making the noise. I'm gonna install a mechanical oil pressure gauge to try and find out whether this is rotating assembly or not. This way I can see what the oil pressure is doing while this noise is happening. So there's 3,000 RPM, 60 PSI, and you can still hear the noise. Honda spec is 50 PSI at 3,000 RPM. So oil pressure is fine while it's happening and it doesn't fluctuate with RPM. I'm gonna go ahead and say this isn't rotating assembly and just ignore it.